Okay, so body gradient dusk. Um, yeah, it was. I mean, it was kind of close. We had to like let it know that it's actually like reds, but the fact that it's like already kind of described with a gradient is pretty cool. So let's continue. Okay, so the last thing we generated, we ran into a little bit of a problem here. It started kind of like making these shorter chapters, so we had to kind of remind it like, hey, we're doing these kinds of long things and in some kind of style and format. And so now we have the body gradient red pink. Now it's a little bit, mm, yeah, it's a little bit tough with this because these body gradients are actually bodies. And so I'm not sure if it's possible to see because the OpenSea for nouns doesn't have traits. Um, so you would have to kind of like have visual confirmation of which traits do you have. So I'm not like 100% sure how you can pull the traits from the generated noun, in this case social noun. So let's say that you have this body gradient pink, and right, so you have the body gradient pink, red pink, right? And then you would like have some body, like it's actually like whatever body, like let's say it's dark pink, right? Now that dark pink body is not going to come through here. So if we have here a cat, now the dark pink body will come through. So yeah, have to kind of like see how that goes. It is too late at this point to do anything about having these types of like accessories that take the whole body. But that's fine. Maybe there's a way to differentiate between them um, in from the code, right? But yeah, let's see. Let's see what's next. Okay, so next up we have the gradient sunset. So we're just gonna try to see if it goes right back to it. Yep, seems to go. Combat, social situations. All right, so let's read the social situations. So in social situations, the accessory body gradient sunset can be used to impress, intimidate, or charm others using the character's fire and heat abilities. The character can also create beautiful and mesmerizing displays of fire and heat, using them to entertain, enthrall, or even hypnotize others. Overall, the accessory body gradient sunset is a versatile and powerful accessory that can enhance the character's abilities and social status. Yep. Um, very cool. All right, let's see what's next. Brain. I might generate this a couple times. Let's see what it says first time. Do we need to tell next, please, or the thread here is very very long already? So let's see. We're kind of pushing the boundaries uh, of of the ChatGPT right now. I'm sure the servers are on fire. Um, let's see. But I haven't been thrown out at all today, and I have like multiples of these threads open at the same time. I'm really like not looking forward to these queries being charged like Dolly. Um, because yeah, like I don't know, like I've probably like done like 1,000 queries by now, and it takes a lot to train this thing within the thread first, and then for it to be kind of useful. And then if you lose that thread, you kind of like you're not going to lose the whole training because you can still copy the text and then paste it later for it to understand the context that you're trying to do. But still, it's like, yeah, I really hope that the billing of this thing is subscription based. It's monthly subscription and then it's unlimited queries because, yeah, would suck to start paying for this like hundreds of dollars per month or something like that. All right, but let's go to the accessory brain. So it is a unique and striking accessory that is worn on a character's body, correct? Is a detailed and realistic replica of a human brain made from high-tech synthetic material that closely resembles flesh and tissue. Well, that's kind of scary. The brain is attached to the character's body using a small and discrete mechanism, allowing it to move and shift slightly, as if it were alive. What? This accessory grants the character enhanced intelligence, memory, and cognitive abilities. The character can process and analyze information faster and more accurately than most people. Allow it's like what do you call that? Elon Musk's Neuralink. Wow. Um, the character can right for most people, allowing them to understand complex concepts, solve difficult problems. So it's basically like wearing ChatGPT on your shirt and make accurate predictions. The character can also remember and recall vast amounts of information, using their enhanced memory to retain and retrieve data, knowledge, and experiences. In combat, Extra Brain allows the character to outsmart and outmaneuver their enemies using their enhanced intelligence and cognitive abilities. The character can predict their enemies' moves, anticipate their strategies, and counter their attacks using their quick thinking, and strategic planning. The character can also use their enhanced memory to remember and apply combat techniques, tactics, and styles, allowing them to adapt and improvise in battle. In social situations, the extra brain can be used to impress, intimidate, and charm others. I use the character's enhanced intelligence and cognitive abilities. The character can also use their enhanced memory to remember and recall facts, trivia, and details, allowing them to engage in intelligent and engaging conversation.